Good morning, children. This is in continuity with the previous video where we were doing change in profit sharing ratio among the partners of the business. Now we are on the second step. We did that we have to do 5 type of adjustments in case of change in profit sharing ratio of partners. So we did the calculation of sacrifice and gain of individual partner. That was the first step. The second thing which we need to learn is treatment of goodwill in case of change in profit sharing ratio of partners. Now children, when change in profit sharing ratio happens, it implies that one partner who is gaining partner is purchasing the share of profit from other means the losing or the sacrificing partners. So one who is sacrificing is selling his share of profit to the one who is gaining. Now, compensation, obviously the gainer has to compensate the loser. And how it will be done? As we discussed earlier, it will be done in terms of goodwill. Third thing, what will be the amount of compensation? The gaining partner has to give proportionate amount of goodwill as compensation to the sacrificing partner. You cannot expect that gaining partner will give full amount of goodwill to the sacrificing partner. If his gain is 1 by 10, he will give 1 by 10th of the amount of total goodwill of the firm to the sacrificing partner. If his gain is 2 by 6, he will calculate 2 by 6 share of goodwill, the total goodwill of the firm into 2 by 6, and that he'll be giving to sacrificing partner as compensation for his loss of share of profit. I hope this is clear, children. Now let's move on to the process, right? The examples we have to do. A and B were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. With effect from 1st April 2018, they agreed to share their profits equally. For this purpose, goodwill is valued at rupees 30,000. See, the calculated value of goodwill is given to us. Pass necessary journal entry. Now, we cannot straight away pass the journal entry. We have to solve the question in various steps. Step 1 will be calculation of sacrifice or gain of the individual partner, which we learned in the previous session. Now, in this case, the old ratio is 3:2. That means A's old share was 3 by 5 and B's old share was 2 by 5. The new ratio is equal, means for A and B both, the new share is 1 by 2. Now A's sacrifice will be equal to his old share, that is 3 by 5, minus his new share, that is 1 by 2. Taking the LCM of 10, it comes out to be 1 by 10. That means it is sacrifice of A 1 by 10. Now B's sacrifice. His old share was 2 by 5, whereas his new share was 1 by 2. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Again taking the LCM of 10, we get an answer of negative 1 by 10. I am putting it into bracket because in accounting, we show all negative figures in bracket. So 1 by 10 negative sacrifice means it is gain. So B becomes the gainer and A becomes the loser. In this case, a very simple entry I am telling you. It is very easy to learn the journal entry. The journal entry in case of goodwill is gainer to loser. Means gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. Reason? As he is the gainer, he has to make the payment. All the payments or the negative items come on the debit side of partner's capital account. Whereas the sacrificing partner will receive something. If he is receiving something, then it should go on the credit side of his capital account. That is a simple fundamental thing which we learned in the fundamental chapter also. Right? So first step is over. Now second step. Calculation of amount of compensation. Amount of compensation to be paid by B to A. It is equal to amount of goodwill, that is total goodwill of the firm, into the share of sacrifice done by A. So amount of goodwill as given in the question was 30,000. Into 1 by 10, it comes out to be 3,000. right? So 3000 is the amount of compensation which B is going to pay to A. Now let's come to step 3, that is journal entry. We'll be passing it on 2016 April 1 as the date given in the question. B's capital account debit, I've written in bracket gainer, to A's capital account, who is the loser, the sacrificing partner. 3000 is the amount, and the narration is B compensated A for loss and share of profit in terms of goodwill. I hope the case is clear. Now let us take a little more advanced case in this term. Example 2. A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. So 5:4:1 is the old ratio. They decided to change the ratio in future to 9:6:5 with effect from 1st April 2016. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of past 3 years. Now children, this is the twist in the question. In the previous question, calculated value of goodwill was given. In this case, children, we have to calculate it. And the method given is goodwill should be 2 years purchase of average profit of past 3 years. The profit for the past 3 years, that is 2013-14, 14-15 and 15-16 is given to you, which is 48,000, 42,000 and 60,000 respectively. Pass necessary journal entry for treatment of goodwill. Now one step will increase, that is the only thing. Now let us see how we are going to solve this question. Step 1. Calculation of the amount of goodwill. We will be first calculating what is the total goodwill of the firm because it is not given to us in this question. Here we will be calculating first the average profit. The 3 years profit which were given to us were 48,000, 42,000 and 60,000. Divided by 3, the average comes out to be 50,000. Now, goodwill was to be calculated on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit. So, goodwill is equal to number of years of purchase into average profit. 2 into 50,000, it becomes rupees 1 lakh. Now, children, please do remember this is the total goodwill of the firm. It is not the amount of compensation that will be doing only after doing step 2 where we calculate individual partners' sacrifice or gain. Moving on to step 2. It is calculation of individual partners' sacrifice or gain. The old ratio was 5:4:1. The new ratio was 9:6:5. So A's old share 5/10 minus his new share 9/20. Taking the LCM of 20, it comes out to be 1/20 sacrifice. Now for B, his old share 4/10 minus his new share 6/20. Now it comes out to be 2/20 as it is a positive figure, so it's a sacrifice. For C, his old share was 1/10 minus his new share 5/20. Taking the LCM of 20, when I calculate, it comes out to be minus 3/20. As it is negative, so it becomes a gain. That means C is the gaining partner, whereas A and B both are sacrificing their share of profit in favor of C. So C will have to compensate A and B. Is it clear, children? Now move on to the next step, that is calculating the amount of compensation to be paid by C. As his gain was 3/20, so 3/20 into 1 lakh. The amount of compensation to be paid by C comes out to be 15,000. Now this is the total compensation which C is going to pay to A and B. Now let us see what amount individually will be paid to A and B. A's sacrifice was 1/20. So 1/20 of 1 lakh comes out to be 5,000. For B, 2/20 was his sacrifice. So 2/20 of 1 lakh comes out to be 10,000. So now we get our entry, which is C's capital account debit. C, who is the gainer, debit to loser. Gainer to loser entry. So C's capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. It is 15,000, 5,000, 10,000. 15,000 for C. A will be credited by 5,000. B will be credited by 10,000. So C compensated A and B for loss in share of profit in terms of goodwill. Writing narration with the journal entry is a must. It is compulsory to write the narration with the journal entry. So learn that art also. And children, now you'll be doing the assignment question. Please be particular in submitting the assignment on time. Most of you are doing it, but still some of our friends are left. We have to encourage them to do the same, submit the assignment on time and meet the deadlines. Thank you, children.